Did you know Excel can instantly fix messy capitalization with just one formula? Stop wasting time manually retyping names. Imagine you've imported a list of customer names and they're all in random or wrong capitalization. Some are all caps, some are all. Here's how to fix it. In column A we have names typed in all caps, and we want them in proper title case. Click on cell B2. Type the proper function. Excel actually gives you 3 powerful text case functions to cover every situation. Use proper to capitalize the first letter of each word. Perfect. Look at the result. All 3 names are now perfectly formatted in title case with zero manual effort. Simply drag the formula down to apply. You just learned how to change text case in Excel instantly using proper, upper, and lower. No more manual.